Here is a Windsor C-14 that I had gotten from a fellow fan collector several years ago. I'm just catching up on these videos. Yeah. Anyway, I don't think I traded anything for it, but it's got a GE motor in it. I think this one's from 72, 71 maybe. I can't make out a year on there. There's a year somewhere on these. Yeah, I can't find one. Anyway, 3-speed. I've seen these with 2 speeds too. Been a while though. But anyway, start on low. Go to medium. And we'll go high. And we'll go off. Yeah, these baby Lakewoods are childhood fans for me. My grandma had one when I was a kid. It was a C-122. That's not the exact same one, but it's the same brand and all. What's on the shelf back there, or on a stack back there. But yeah. And there was one in middle school too that my science teacher had. But yeah, anyway, that's it. And until next time.